Hello, welcome back to Lightbars channel. Today we're going to take a look at two XL5000 light bars in the collection. Introduced as the XL9000 with sealed beams and then updated to the XL5000 with independent halogen rotators. The XL line has always been a large platform bar for Code 3, and you could put almost anything inside of it. The options were nearly endless and included everything they made, basically. The first bar is going to be 6 rotators, 3 stingers. The center rotators are fast. Should be noted they're not factory fast. I actually changed the motors for 9 volt, which is not a Code 3 option. There was a gearing option to change them later, but not in this series. This is the 795 bulb version, and this has 3 stingers. 2 of them are white, 1 is red, the red one being under the white dome. So kind of a contrast there. But again, those fast rotators in the center are not actually factory. That's also why they spin the opposite direction. So this bar puts together 6 rotators and 3 stingers with, like I said, the contrasting colored stingers to rotators. Originally, it had a clear stinger under the center dome, but I thought that made it kind of clear heavy. And I didn't like the fact that all the rotators were standard speed, and they didn't start offering the fast full-sized rotators till a little bit later. Earlier on, the fast rotators were usually LP6000 rotators. That brings us to the next bar, which actually has an LP6000 rotator in the center behind a half-cylinder filter. That's the fast rotator in this bar. This bar has 4 standard red rotators under clear domes with red filters, and it has the center fast rotator, LP style, with the half cylinder, making it mostly red, a little bit white. This is not a rear view light bar, so the white to the rear doesn't matter. And then it also does have the 2 stingers. These particular stingers were aimed down when I got the bar, so I left it that way. I assume this was mounted high on the box of an ambulance or something, and so they kind of angled the stingers down to hit into rear view mirrors, I assume. I've not messed with them, but if you notice, compared to the last bar, these stingers definitely shoot a lot farther down. You're not seeing the pop head on. In fact, you won't see the pop of them until we zoom way out at the end here. But 2 same-sized bars with slightly different options for the same general effect and purpose. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at them. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day.